swimming underwater right there.
Underwater?
Yeah.
Oh, really? They swim underwater?
No, they
How else do they fucking swim?
There's a big bird swimming underwater. Imagine.
I had no idea.
I didn't know either.
Holy
We've been doing it
shit.
all wrong.
Tammy, we've been doing this all
You
fucking
guys should see where you cast.
Lord have mercy. I had no idea that bass swam underwater.
I think you guys need to check where you cast because all the trees that you guys fish in, I figured you didn't know where they live.
Underwater.
That would make my day.
Good.
Swimming underwater.
I want you guys to know exactly. Tammy's snorting. That makes her day. When she's snorting, you know you got her good.
You got me good.
GoPro highlight the snort.
I heard.